Google. Let's go get them again.
What's going on, fragrance family? Welcome to another unboxing first impression video on my channel. Today we are delving into the brand of Tom Ford and their green line, unfortunately discontinued, but one of the stars of the show, which is Vert incense. Now the Vert line from Tom Ford felt like it came and went so quickly. Now harder to find, and if you are lucky, you may find a bottle from the line under retail or at retail, but that is going to change quite quickly, if not already, from day of this video shoot. Vert incense is by far the most sought after from the Vert series, and I'm happy finally to have it in my collection, in my Tom Ford collection, which is growing by the minute. This one is not new to me. I did have a sampling samples on this years ago, but I remember being heavy on heliotrope. I did get some of the greenness, but not as much as I'm getting from this bottle. And this is good news for me. So let's remind me of this introduction from years ago. But yeah, this unboxing, of course, the box itself, I purchased this on Facebook. Somebody selling their bottle that was 98% full. So this one's, you know, almost full. And I got it for, I think, below retail. So a good snag for me. Vert incense, let's get into it. Oh, and, you know, it is heavy on the heliotrope. You are going to get some powdery aspects, some almond-like aspects, some talkiness, and a little bit of sweetness here, almost vanillic-wise. But I don't know if it was this bottle, but this thing has some resinous incense back in this. It really has a pine, and again, this is the Vert series. It has very much a green pine note in here, grassy notes in the backbone. It's green, it's smoky, but it has that fresh green pine needle type of smell. That fir balsam is absolutely gorgeous in this release. You know, and after sampling this release, years ago, I enjoyed it, but you could see the sampling samples. I wasn't really sold on it. I didn't really, let's say, I don't know if it was the sample, but I didn't get much of that greenness that people were talking about. But this bottle here is showing a lot more of that beautiful greenness from the Vert series. I'm absolutely in love with this. The smokiness is not huge in this release. You're going to get some incense in here, almost like a clean, cold incense. This is perfect for Christmas time. But this one right here, Vert incense, I know it's hard to find. If you do your research, you can find it. At least, I think I bought mine about a year ago. So, yeah, this thing, gorgeous. I'm so happy to have it in my collection. I almost really just kind of forgot about this one a little bit. And I'm happy to have it in my collection now. So now that you heard my take, I'd love to see yours in the comments below. This one almost, eluded me, honestly. And I'd love to see your take in the comments below if you have smelt this fragrance. Any of the other green releases from the Vert line that I should be checking out. I'm welcome to some suggestions on the channel, of course. And as always, a great or poor fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your scent wisely. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Have a good one.